guys, I'm on to do my final flip through of my Dollar Tree journal that I came up with. I'm not extremely proud of this. I don't feel like I just kind of haphazardly put it together, but I had fun doing it, and I have so much stuff to put away now from the Dollar Tree. This is hosted by Jessica on Paper Terrace channel, and she did it's for her 100,000. Very, very cool, Jessica. Subscriber celebration, and she had a live today. I was able to pop in for a little bit, so this is posting, I believe, too late for prizes, and that's fine, because the prize was being able to put it together and having fun with that. You've seen the cover, although I did add a little flower there. I wasn't sure what to do. I found this, and I was like, it was still on the tag from Dollar Tree, so I was like, oh my gosh, it's the pom-pom. So very cool. And I also wanted to update as I'm going through this about, you've heard about the fires here in the Pacific Northwest. That's on the eastern Washington side, which unfortunately is where my son and his wife and Tori and Vienna live. Right now, they are not in any danger, but it is raining over here, which means it's windy, extremely windy, like 50 mile an hour. When you have hot and dry, it's not good. So they're keeping an eye on everything. The city of Spokane, which is the biggest city over there that they love to go to, is actually burning. So, oh my gosh, you guys, it's just, I am safe. They are safe so far, but yeah, keep Washington State, Oregon, and Northern California, you know, all the fire areas in your prayers. Friends posted that they were evacuating their area, their home over there. So, yeah, anywho, and to happier things. So here is this little tag. I've shown this, I believe. And then I put the Oh Honey on the other side from a bag. And then this is kind of bee themed and butterflies. I just collaged onto graph paper from Dollar Tree. This was a challenge coming up with stuff for using just Dollar Tree. So here's that bright tag board. But anyway, here's this I've shown with the netting, and then I made this tag, and this pulls out, doesn't have anything in it, and here's the tag there. Let me zoom in just a little bit and see if I can do that. Oh, way too much. Oh my gosh. There we go. Anyway, so this was a jar shape that was on a tag, on some, from Dollar Tree with stickers on it. So I used that. This is from a gift bag, the background. And here's some of my shells. I just thought that was really cool. And let me show it this way. And some tags says Discover. And I didn't do signatures per se. We're going to see how this goes now. It's a little tight. I probably should have done bigger rings. Then I did a butterfly page, and these are all pieces of paper from a stack of 6x6. And here you recognize the stickers. This is a little bag, or envelope rather, that I turned into a bag. Here's this little panel. This was the cover. Good Lord, this is, let me get this out of here. Sorry, Judy, I love your... Anyway, it's snagging. And so this was a cover on one of the mini notebooks I've bought this year. So, and then I put this happy tag. I just looked up there. Isn't he cute? And then I stapled on here so you can write journal. And then this is some of the new stuff coming out. And then this, sorry, I'm going to make you dizzy, making me dizzy. Butterfly, and then this. So it turned that into a tag. And here are these from Dollar Tree. Very pretty. So it got me to use a lot of my Dollar Tree stickers and things that have been just sitting there. So that's a good thing. I found this one. So this is my strawberry page, and there's the napkins. I glued them down. I didn't Mod Podge them. A little clip there. And I made this tag. And then there's a place to write. And this came from Dollar Tree as well. And then, this has got a little bit of glue. I need to clean that up. But anyway, made this tag, found this cute swan. Has nothing to do with cherries or anything, but I thought it was cute. This bow. This is one of those clips, but what's that? Why is that coming through? Maybe when I pushed it on or something? Huh. Anywho, and there's a little paper clip with a strawberry on it. This is all the gingham ribbon from the Easter stash. And then here, see, so this bow is a clip-on for Crocs. And then I just pushed it, you just push it through. You can't take that apart, so I hung this clip from it. And here's more of the napkin. And I use this border that I've had like forever from DollarTree to go with that. So there you go. I need to do more here, but like I said, I kind of ran out of juice. I was just like, okay, I think I'm done. I got so much I want to do, right? So there's that page. I can put more on there. And then I made a tag. I just used a lot of the cardboard that came with the stickers. And so here's this waterfall. Gotta keep turning it. And you got this, and it says Lucky, so you can journal there. And then I took one of their bags, and I put some Minnie Mouse on there, and this made this tag. Where did this come from? Oh, this was a paper bag, yeah. Anyway, and then have this little stickers, and I turned it into a pocket. This was poster board with a rainbow on it that I had from Vienna's party. And then I took, and I haven't put anything in here. I have more I could do to this, and so I made a pocket back here with some of the paper from DollarTree. So that is my flip through. Like I said, I don't know. It was a fun challenge, but it just became kind of haphazard. I don't know. It was a challenge, which it's supposed to be. So Jessica, congrats on your 100,000. Keep Eastern Washington, Pacific Northwest, Oregon, everybody in fire danger, including my kids. My son works near Spokane, so anywho, Mama's worried. You know, that's what we do. All right, you guys, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.